Are you a biotechnology or life science student wondering what government jobs you can secure after your degree? Well, you have landed on the absolute right video to find out all the crucial details. I'll give you a complete guide to Indian government jobs in this field, covering where to find them, eligibility, salary, and the step-by-step application process. Whether you hold a BSc, MSc, or a PhD, this roadmap will help you strategically plan your very next professional move. So let's dive right into understanding why these government positions are so highly sought after in the science sector. Government jobs remain one of the most trusted and deeply respected career paths available across the entire nation of India. For life science graduates, these roles offer much more than just career stability. They provide a chance to engage in genuine national research and public service. These opportunities span diverse vital areas, from developing life-saving vaccines to crucial agricultural advancements and environmental research initiatives. Government labs across the country hire thousands of talented biotech and life science professionals every single year. Now let's look at the major departments and essential organizations that actively recruit graduates like you. First up is the Department of Biotechnology, or DBT, which is the central funding body under the Ministry of Science and Technology. DBT hires a wide range of talent, including core scientists, project staff, and bright young professionals for various initiatives. Next, the Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, known as BIRAC, bridges the gap between startups and vital government funding. BIRAC frequently recruits for specialized roles such as technical staff, project officers, and various specialized consultants. The Indian Council of Medical Research, or ICMR, is another massive recruiter focusing heavily on biomedical and clinical research studies. You can expect ICMR to frequently advertise for roles like research associates, project scientists, and junior research fellows. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, oversees many of India's premier research laboratories across the nation. Institutes under CSIR, like CCMB or NBRI, are constantly seeking research fellows, experienced scientists, and skilled technicians. For those leaning towards national security and advanced healthcare innovations, the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, is a key target. DRDO offers unique positions where biotechnology directly contributes to defense and national healthcare readiness. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research, or ICAR, drives jobs centered around crop improvement and ensuring national food security through science. ICAR openings are perfect for specialists in agricultural biotechnology, genetics, and various aspects of microbiology. Finally, do not overlook the various state government departments that often post localized biotechnology openings on their specific board websites. Now let's review the actual job roles you can apply for based on your academic achievement level. If you hold a Bachelor of Science degree, you might qualify for roles like laboratory technician or field assistant positions. These entry-level roles typically start with a monthly salary ranging approximately between 25,000 to 35,000 rupees. Candidates with a master's in science or technology can aim higher for positions such as junior research fellow or a project associate. Salaries for these specialized master's level roles generally fall between 35,000 to 60,000 rupees per month. For those with a PhD or significant experience, roles like scientist grade B through E or even an assistant professor become attainable. These senior positions often come with an impressive monthly compensation package starting from 80,000 up to 1,20,000 rupees. Most government biotech jobs are filled through rigorous competitive examinations or dedicated project recruitment drives. The CSIR NET or UGC NET Life Sciences exam is essential for securing JRF, SRF, or future assistant professor designations. The Graduate Aptitude Test in Biotechnology, known as GATE, opens pathways to public sector unit jobs and prestigious IIT admissions. For purely clinical and biomedical research tracks, you must prepare specifically for the dedicated ICMR JRF examination. The DBT-BET, or Biotechnology Eligibility Test, is the specific screening tool used for awarding DBT's own research fellowships. Candidates focused on agricultural science should target the ICAR NET exam for specialized recruitment in that sector. Remember that many institutes also conduct direct recruitment processes, often posted as short-term project vacancies on their career pages. To stay ahead, make it a habit to check the official career portals for DBT, CSIR, ICMR, and BIRAC on a weekly basis. Additionally, specialized career websites like Biotechnica and MySarkari provide valuable daily consolidation of these openings. To give you a clearer financial picture, here is a simple breakdown of the expected monthly salary across different roles. Lab assistants can anticipate earning in the range of about 25 to 35,000 rupees monthly. Junior or senior research fellows usually fall within the 31 to 43,000 rupee bracket. Project associates often command a slightly higher range, typically between 45 to 55,000 rupees per month. Scientist positions from B to C level generally start at a competitive 80,000 and can reach 1 lakh rupees. Senior roles like assistant professor or principal investigator often secure salaries exceeding 1,10,000 rupees. It is important to remember that most roles supplement this basic pay with significant allowances like HRA and travel support. Here is a clear 8-step guide on how you should methodically approach the application process for any government opening. First, navigate directly to the official website of the specific department or institute you are targeting. Second, locate and click on the dedicated recruitment or careers section prominently displayed on their homepage. Third, meticulously download the official notification to thoroughly understand all eligibility criteria and the strict application deadline. Fourth, complete the online or offline application form with extreme care, attaching all necessary scanned certificates and your updated resume. Fifth, pay the requisite application fee if one is mandated, keeping in mind that many pure research posts are completely free to apply for. Sixth, ensure you formally submit your entire application package well before the official closing time and date. Seventh, dedicate serious time to preparing for the subsequent stage, which might involve written tests, technical interviews, or even both components. Eighth, establish a system to regularly check the official site or your registered email for any crucial updates regarding your application status. Here is a pro tip. Create one dedicated digital spreadsheet to meticulously track every single application's key date and current status. To really stand out from the competition, you must effectively highlight any research projects or hands-on internships you have completed. Crucially, include a strong list of your specific technical proficiencies such as PCR, molecular cloning, or key bioinformatics tools. Don't forget to list essential soft skills like clear scientific communication, meticulous documentation, and effective teamwork abilities. Build a professional LinkedIn profile and actively follow the official pages for major bodies like DBT, ICMR, and CSIR. Keep learning continuously. Short online courses in specialized areas like data analysis can significantly boost your resume's appeal. Now let's discuss some incredibly common yet avoidable mistakes that many applicants unfortunately make every cycle. The biggest error is applying without thoroughly reading the entire official notification, especially missing strict eligibility clauses. You must never miss application deadlines, as government portals are notoriously strict about closing applications precisely on time. Submitting unclear scanned certificates or turning in an application form that is clearly incomplete will lead to instant rejection. Another common pitfall is completely ignoring contract-based roles, which often serve as direct stepping stones to permanent or better opportunities. Looking ahead, India's entire biotechnology sector is currently experiencing an immense and rapid period of national growth. The government's ambitious National Biotech Strategy for 2025 clearly aims to position India as a leading global biotech hub. This strategic focus translates directly into a future pipeline filled with more advanced R&D laboratories and pharmaceutical projects. Expect significant expansion across agri-biotech missions and vital new bioenergy initiatives nationwide in the coming years. If you start your dedicated preparation today, the 2025 to 2026 period will truly unlock massive government opportunities in this exciting field. So, that concludes your comprehensive guide to navigating the landscape of Indian government jobs in biotechnology and life sciences. Your next immediate step should be checking those official websites and focusing your exam prep on DVT-BT or CSIR.net. If you would like me to create a follow-up video specifically on the top government exams for biotech students, please let me know in the comments below. Furthermore, if you prefer a deep dive into the best public sector undertaking jobs for life science graduates, drop a suggestion too. Finally, please remember to hit the like button, share this crucial information with your network, and subscribe to Labmonk Official. We upload weekly updates specifically focused on guiding your biotech career path forward, so you won't want to miss them. Stay relentlessly curious about the science, maintain unwavering confidence in your abilities, and I will certainly see you in the very next video.